Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve h minus 5 equal h. So what is the value of h? So let's start with today's video solution. So if h minus 5 is equals to h, so minus 5 is equals to h minus h. So minus 5 is equals to 0, which cannot be possible. So this expression we cannot solve like this. So we can try by solving to calculate the value of h as by doing squaring both sides. So here I am going to use it like this: h minus 5 times h minus 5 equal h square, and this becomes h square minus 5h minus 5h plus 5 square is 5 times 5 is 25 equal h square. So h square minus 10h plus 25 equal h square. So h square minus 10h plus 25 minus h square equals 0. So we will cancel out this positive and negative h square. So minus 10h equal minus 25. Now if I'll divide both sides by negative 10, so h equal 2.5. Now let's verify this. 2.5 minus 5 equal 2.5. 2.5 minus 5 is minus 2.5, but they said it is equals to positive 2.5. Negative cannot be equal to positive, so we can say that no solution exists for this h. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.